Oh my god, it's like your first unboxing ever.
Do I look nice?
Such a privilege.
Do we look nice?
Look my one.
He always says yes.
You look gorgeous, a pair of you. I'm so happy you're back, a pair of you. This is it.
Lisa, bye! Oh wait, let's put... Yeah, let's show me. I look old.
Ready?
Roll
to
gold.
party!
Dual time. Hi guys, welcome back to our unboxings and welcome back to me because I mean it's been a while.
You're back.
I am, yes, Kaylee. Okay, can I say something? No, can we be serious, Gabby? It's really hot in here. Welcome back, guys, to our unboxing, but also welcome back to me. It's been a while. I'm so happy to be back and show you something a bit different. What is that, Kaylee?
Well, you decided to pick it out today because it's your first unboxing.
I did, yes. I thought it was so lovely and quite different. To what we usually show you guys, right? So let's have a look at this beautiful Vacheron Constantin.
Okay, so let me
Kaylee
just
can open it.
Okay, guys, so we've got the lovely Vacheron Constantin Dual Time in the rose gold with the brown
Rubber
strap.
strap.
I think
the strap is really, really cute and different. It gives me a bit of Patek vibes, but obviously a little bit more sporty. So I think it's a really
good watch.
Yeah.
So this is a 7900V reference number with the dual time on the dial.
Yes, which is perfect for anyone that travels a lot, so they can see the time into different places. And it has also a day and night indicator. I think it's it looks like a very complicated watch, but it's really just that. And it reminds me of a Patek, but to be honest, it's a bit more sporty. And I feel like it's something that you can wear every day. Kaylee, you've been here all the time, so I'm sure you can tell us where we can find some more info on this watch. Where can our followers or anyone that likes it buy the watch?
So they can find us on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, but obviously BQ Watches
website as well. So guys, this was our pick for the day. Next time we're gonna come with something even more different and special to show you. And thank you for watching us as always.
Bye bye.